everyone, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our revision assignment is Chapter 2, the 4 operations. You can refer exercise 2.10 and 2.11. Coming to first one, 20 divided by 4 plus 10 into bracket of 7 minus 2 into 5. So here we have to simplify the given equation. So here which rule we are applying for simplification? We have to follow the BODMAS rule. What is the BODMAS rule? B for bracket, O for off is nothing but multiplication, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So we have to follow the BODMAS and we have to simplify the given sum. Okay. So for that first we have to take out bracket. B for bracket is first 7 minus 2. So here 20 divided by 4 plus 10. 7 minus 2 is how much, children? 5 into 5. So then which operation we have to do? Bracket off. Is there off? No. Then after division. So we have to do the division. This one 20 divided by 4 is how much? 5 plus 10 into 5 into 5. So in BODMAS then which operation will get after division? Multiplication. So 5 plus 10 into 5 into 5. 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. 50 5s are 250. So we get 250. Now then after addition. So we'll get 255. 255. So which is the correct option? Option 2. 255. So the answer is 255. Required option is 2. Coming to next one. 2 into 5 of bracket is given. So bracket of 2 into 5 of 6 is divided by 19 minus 7 into 3. So again we have to simplify the given sum. So we have to follow the BODMAS. So first we have to take out brackets. So in that one 2 into 5. So means 10 into 6 is divided by 19 minus 7 is. So 9. Sorry, here off. 10 into 19 minus 7 is 12 plus 3. So again we have to take out off here off. So off means here into. So 10 into 6 it is nothing but 60. 60 is divided by 12 plus 3. Now which operation? Division. So 60 divided by 12 is 5. 5 plus 3. Then there is no multiplication. We go through the directly addition. 5 plus 3 is 8. So which is the correct option, children, here? So 8. 1. Option is 1. The answer is 8. Required option is 1. Next one. 12 into bracket of 10 minus 8 into bracket 30 divided by 2 into 3 equal to dash. So again we have to take out first brackets. So 12 into 10 minus 8. How much 10 minus 8? 2. Into 30 divided by 2. So again here bracket is there. 30 divided by 2. So how many times of 2 in 30? 15. 15 2s are 30. So 15 into 3. Now multiply. Because there is no division, directly we have to multiply 12 into 2 into 15 into 3. So 12 2s are 24 into 53s are 45. We get, see, 5 4s 20, 2, 5 2s 10 plus 2 is 12. So 1's place should be 0, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. So 0, 8, 10. We get 1080. 1080. So which is the correct option? Option 2. The answer is 1080. Required option is 2. Next one. The average of 48, 23, 13, 54 and 7 is. So what is the average? Average is nothing but equilateral distribution. So means we have to find average as sum of the number of objects. So here first we have to add the sum of the given objects. So for that we are adding 48, 23, 13, 54 and 7. Now 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 plus 8 is 25. So 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, so then what we have to do? The sum of the objects are came. So number of objects, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 objects. So now divide. How much you will get? 2, 9. 29 times we will get. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option, children? 29. The correct option is 1. So the answer is, the average is 29. Required option is 1. Next, the average of 3 kgs, 45 kgs, 92 kgs and 28 kgs is. So again, sum of the given quantities. So here kgs are given, weight is given by number of quantities. So means we have to add 3 kgs. Okay. So we have to add 3 kgs, 45 kgs, 92 kgs and 28 kgs. See, 3, 45, 92, 28. Now 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 9 is how much? 14. 14 plus 2 is how much? 14 plus 2? 16. So number of objects, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So divide by 168 is divided by 4. Number of objects. So how many times it will be? 4 fours. So here 1 is there, it will not divide. So we can go through the next digit, 16. How many times? How many 4s are there in 16? 4 times. And how many 4s are there in 8? 1. Sorry, 2. So 42. 2 4s are 8. So 42 is the average. 42 is the average. The average of 3 kgs, 45 kgs, 92 kgs, 28 kgs is 42 kgs. So which is the correct option? 42, option 1. Okay. Next one. The average of 178 meters, 525 meters and 476 meters. So again what we have to do? We have to do the sum of the given objects by number of objects. So objects or sums or whatever it may be, quantities are 178, 525 and 476. Now add 8 plus 5. How much 8 plus 5? 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6 how much? 19. 9 here, 1 we group it. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2 is, 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5. How much 2 plus 5? 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1179. How many objects? Number of objects are 1, 2, 3. So divide with 3. Now, so 1 divided by 3 we cannot. We go through the next 11. 3 times approximately 9. Subtract 11 minus 9 is 2. Or 1 will become 11. This one will become 0. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now bring down 7. How many times? 9 times. 9 3s are 27. Now bring down 9. 3 3s are 9. So what is the average? 393 meters. 393 meters. So the required option is 3. Okay. Next, Rita collected 36 flowers. Poonam collected 38 flowers. And Ankita collected 40 flowers. What was the average number of flowers each child get? So here, number of flowers collected by Rita, 36. Number of flowers collected by Poonam, 38. Number of flowers collected by Ankita, 40. So we can find average of the flowers. Means each child how many will get average. Okay, average. So here what we have to do? First we have to add the 36, 38 and 40. Now add 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 0 14. So 4 here, 1 here. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 14. 7 plus 4 is 11. So by 3. 114 divided by 3. Now 1 divided by 3 we cannot. So again we have to take the 11 approximately 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Now subtract, 1 will become 11. This one will become 0. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now bring down 4. So 8. So 8 3s are 24. Now the average number of flowers are 38. So which is the correct option? 38 flowers each child will get. So the option 1 is required one. The option 1 is required one. So here, so 38 flowers each child get collected. Average on average. Now coming to next one. Vandita sat for 4 exams in school. Her average score for the 4 exams was 87 marks. What was her total score for the 4 exams? You know total number of exams she written, she attempted, okay, or she sat, and the average score for 4 exams are 87 marks. So what is the total marks? So yes, very easy to find. So number of exams she written are 4 and average score is 87. If you multiply 4 into 87, you will get the total number of marks. So here 4 7s are 28, 2, 4 8s are 32 plus 2 is 34. So total 348 marks. So what is her total score of 4 exams? Total score of 4 exams 348. So option 2. Next one. Raman has 5 friends. Their weight is 30 kgs, 28 kgs, 32 kgs, 40 kgs and 40 kgs. What is the total weight of Raman's friend? So we have to find the total weight of Raman's friend. So what we have to do for that? Just we have to add the given weights. So what are the given weights? 30 kgs, 28 kgs, 32 kgs, 40 kgs, 40 kgs. Now add 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2, plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 0 is 10 only. Now 0 here, 1 degroup it, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17. So what is the total weight of Rama's friends? 170 kgs. Okay. So 170. Which is the correct option? Option 4. Now say Raman has 5 friends. Their weight is 30 kgs, 28 kgs, 32 kgs, 40 kgs and 40 kgs. What is their average weight? So just now we completed some of the weights divided by total number of quantities, total number of children. So here already we got 170 by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or here directly is given 5 friends. Divide by 5. So how many times we can take? 3 times. So because here 170 divided by 5, 3, 15, now 2, 0. Okay. Because 7 minus 5 is 2. We then bring down 0. How many times it will be? 4 times. 4 5s are 20. So it will be 0. How much? The average weight is 34 kgs. 34 kgs. So which is the correct option? Option 2. Go to children. Once again practice average sums and BODMAS sums. Okay children, thank you.